on, guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video we're going to be going through your setups that you posted in my Discord channel just to see what you guys are rocking and maybe give some recommendations on what to change to make your setup look a bit more appealing or be a bit more functional. Excuse like the mess that I got going on like in the background right now. I got a few things going on. I'm building a new PC for the new year for another setup that we'll go over another video eventually, but you guys will see what we end up putting in there. But let's go ahead and without further ado dive into the setup review and checking out you guys' setups. So this one actually is from like March. This was after I filmed my initial setup that we did like reviewing. I think it was you guys' keyboards or keyboard and mice setups or something like that. But this one is actually from DEGINO, and dude, like this is freaking dope. I mean, for obviously a lot of people, myself included, I mean, like a setup that's this clean and pretty minimal, but also has like a really cool looking PC and an Odyssey G9 from Samsung that's freaking massive looking monitor that is insanely immersive. I mean, this is just one clean setup. Like, perfect use of greenery. You can see like his headset collection down below as well. And I also like how he has like a, it looks like that's like a headphone amp or DAC with like really quick access controls. I love that. You're keeping a lot of things off of the desk, which is part of the reason why I'm actually redoing one of my setups in my room, to keep a lot of things off the desk, because just freeing up that mental space and physical space, it just looks very clean, super aesthetically pleasing, and I love the way that this entire setup looks. The keyboard looks like he's got like a GK61 or something with some pudding keycaps. I do like this little skull thing. That's pretty cool. A G305 and one of the Equate pads from X-Ray Pads. We have Convella with a nice setup as well. Definitely can use a little bit of work as far as like the cable management and whatnot. You could probably just get like some Velcro you could probably get some Velcro strips and then just like Velcro these together and then hide them like up here behind the desk. You can literally just tape them to the bottom. But otherwise, like, looks like you got a pretty clean setup. One monitor and your PC over here to the right side. And I do like how you have like your IKEA drawers and whatnot too. So you got plenty of storage. And let's see here for your monitor, definitely could recommend giving you like a monitor mount. Like if you do that, I definitely would recommend maybe getting a monitor mount and then mounting that to the back of your desk. That'll just give you a bit more space on your desk, and it'll free up a little bit more of you know, that space right in front of you. So if you want to put something that look kind of cool or some like decoration, you can definitely put that like right underneath your monitor. And if you get like one of those full motion mounts, you can just move your monitor as close as you need it to be or further back when you want to like take pictures and whatnot. So this is a really nice looking setup. You got a 1080, nice graphics card there, good old Corsair RAM. It looks like you're rocking an AMD processor. And then we got his cat here as well, so super cute cat. Next we have Landon with his setup. I do like this desk that he has. I don't know if this is one desk or two desks that are combined, but this looks really clean. And I love how he has like the RGB and stuff right here shining on this white top. I like how this desk gives you a little bit of storage, and you have the white front to the drawers that matches the top here. And let's take a look at his keyboard. So we got some kind of 60% keyboard with looks like some like PBT SA keycaps, maybe Echo. I think Echo does make these, but those look really nice in that laser theme. Another Logitech G305, like that is a really popular mouse. I'm waiting for that new Gamebition's Orbit, because that one seems like it's gonna be like the new version of the G305 that's like a lot lighter. So I really hope that the QC on that mouse is top tier, because if it is, the G305 will probably be dead to me like very quickly. But yeah, this mouse is very good as far as the shape, and it's really popular and very affordable as well. I do like the Topo desk pad that you have as well, and it matches your RGB. Nice little piece. Oh, you're waiting for PC parts. Oh yeah, he's waiting. You can get a GPU. Oh yeah. I hope you got a GPU, man. Back in September, it's been really hard. I mean, I'm looking for one right now, but I do have a plan for what I want to do with my next PC build that I'm starting right now. But next we got Soren, nice huge desk, massive mouse pad as well, and it looks like he's got a Samsung Odyssey G7, some kind of newer NVIDIA processor there. And let's see here, he's got his mic here. Definitely could recommend, you know, getting a mic arm. I'm sure that's in the plans for you. And then we've got Soren with a setup update, because I took so long to make the video, but looks like he got a new desk of some sort, and then he also got a Lee case for his PC as well, and put it on the floor, probably to give himself much more space. So this one is from a deleted user. I think this person actually is in my DMs. I don't know if we ban them or what, but the pictures are here. So if you're watching, excellent. Nice setup because you have a very clean setup. I don't know if you deleted your Discord or if we banned you, but if we banned you, sorry. I hope you didn't do anything stupid. I do like how they have like this LED light strip here, and it does have proper diffusion, because if you have just like regular LED lights and they don't have a diffuser over them, they look really horrible. So I do like that they have that this kind of light strip. It looks very cool. You got the massive speakers above your Odyssey G9, so looking very cool there. And let's see, I think that's like GMK Belafonte too from Drop. My boy MINIZOLT got a very clean Miami theme going on right now, the green and pink. Absolutely love it. Like that reminds me of my first like huge custom keyboard build that I did, like desoldered the switches and everything. This reminds me a lot of that. I love this green and pink Miami theme. So nice setup, MINIZOLT. ICYCONNOR in here with the triple monitor setup. I'm actually surprised. We looked at a few setups. This is the first triple monitor setup we've seen. So triple monitors, nice little, looks like a NVIDIA graphics card. You got Corsair fans in here maybe. Definitely could use a little bit of work on cable management. Again, not saying my cable management is perfect at all, and it's definitely not, but you know, it definitely we could all use a little bit of work to manage some cables. Nice insides to your PC as well. Let's see here, Red Dragon keyboard. One of these like I don't even know what that thing is called. Is it like a gamepad or something like that? I've always thought those were kind of weird. I want to try one, but not bad enough to like make a video on it. But I'm sure at some point I'll like make a video on this. I don't know when, but I will eventually. And then we have ZEWD'Ls. I think this is one of those Asus Zephyrus laptops, I want to say. Looks like he's a pretty big Asus fan. He's got an Asus mouse, some IEMs, Razer Siren Mini, I believe. And then Razer Black with a full-size keyboard. Definitely could swap that to a TKL. Not the 60% though. The 60%, what is it? The Huntsman Mini, I'm not really the biggest fan of, but I do like the TKL Huntsman. That one is much better. Is that ALIA? I don't know. We use whatever code that is, probably on Fortnite. Recently, I've been playing Fortnite. It's actually pretty fun. It's not trash. And then we have Sayham. Looks like he's got a dual monitor setup here. Is that like one of those like Alienware ITX PCs? I'm surprised they actually like don't sell these anymore, because I thought that ITX PCs in like this skinny of a form factor were like a really good idea if you just wanted like a very small but powerful with a little bit of a complex look to them. I wish that they would like bring this back, but probably with the 30 series, I don't think they can, because those graphics cards are all massive. Then we got a 60% keyboard here. This looks like the HyperX 60%, the Alloy Origin 60 or whatever. And then you got a SteelSeries Rival 600 or 650. So I respect that for sure. And then we got Legendary Wolf with his specs main gear vibe with hardline tubing, 5900X, 3080. ROG motherboard, 2TB Gen 4 SSD. Nice. I just got one as well. Let's see here. 1200 watt power supply, bro, that's insane. And then two 27-inch QHD monitors, 165 hertz. Oh no, those aren't even the main monitors, bro. What the heck? What do you have? 180 hertz, 34-inch 1440p monitor here. Dang, bro, that is insane. This is such a dope setup. Clearly a Dragon Ball fan. Got a couple shoes right there. Got the J's. I see you, cuz. I don't have, do I have any Jordans? I don't think I've had a pair of Jordans in like 4 years. Yeah, it's been some time. I might need to buy another pair. I don't know which ones I want though. But anyways, looks like he's got like this reservoir here for the hardline tubing. And then, I don't know, you probably got something like that on the GPU. You got a couple of GMK Pros. Dang, bro, really balling out. You got the freaking Go XLR. Dude, this dude's setup is baller. What the heck is this desk? I wonder if this is fixed or motorized. I guess maybe we'll see in some of the other pictures. Let's see here. He's got the whole console setup, Xbox One, PS5, the Switch, got everything. Nice TV there. It looks like a Samsung TV or something. The nano lights, or nano leafs. Let's see here. Nice little Dragon Ball stuff. These Aqua Kings. Oh yeah. You know what? I have a similar keycap set from this. Are these from Drop? I think so. Nice clean keycaps. Putting keycaps on the other GMK Pro. Nice cable here too. I do like these little aviator. I can't remember what those is. That it's not a YC8. Maybe it's a Limo connector. I can't remember offhand, but I do like that little connector. It's pretty unique. And then he's got like this Razer soundbar and whatnot as well. And then we've got Squiddy. So his PC has a 5800X, 3060 Ti, and 16 gigs of RAM with the Meshify C. I actually really liked that Meshify C case for the PC, but got some LED lighting here, and I like that he's got LEDs like behind his dresser as well. And then he's got this really cool painting that I can't remember if he bought it or if he made it, but that painting looks dope. I love the way that it looks and the way you hung it up. And let's see here. It looks like we got a little action cam and a ring light, and we got a nice mic arm as well with a triple monitor setup. Clean bedroom setup. Honestly, I love it. You got plenty of storage over here. Absolutely insane looking. Not a cable in sight. Squiddy, nice work. And I like how you got like this little moon lamp too. Like obviously you can't, you know, hide that unless you like drill into the wall and stuff, which would be a bit excessive. But as far as like cables underneath, you can see like he did a very good job at like managing all the cables. So very clean setup. Nice setup in a bedroom. Triple monitor setup with a vertical monitor too. I see you, brother. Looks clean at night too. I think the only thing that I would add is like a light strip behind your desk, and that's probably it. But you know, sometimes, you know, too much RGB can be a little crazy. But nice, he's got a convenient little USB hub right there. Nice mouse pad. I think this one's from Novel Keys, right? And some kind of GK61 or something. Nice little ring light. Very good. And if I would say this is like a pretty affordable setup as far as like the desk, the mouse pad, the mouse, the keyboard options, stuff like that. Obviously the PC is a little expensive because every PC is expensive as heck right now, but everything else considered, I think Squiddy did a really good job at having like a pretty affordable setup that also looks very good. Then we got PAPAAIOPM'S, something like that. Y'all don't know what that is. Papa A is what we're gonna call you for now. But this is a very cool wallpaper, HyperX desk pad. And oh, he's got like a dual monitor setup. Is this a RGB ring light? I know they had those. And then it looks like some kind of small-ish form factor PC because it doesn't look huge, but it looks moderately compact in the dark. So I wonder what kind of PC is in there and whatnot. It looks like you got an Asus motherboard and a Cooler Master cooler with the Corsair RAM that I would recognize from a mile away. And then he's got a TV up here as well that you can play console games on. Then we got Papa A with another setup update as well. Looks like we got a Samsung ultra wide. Oh, you know, I think this is like a full ROG PC that you can get from like Best Buy or something. I think these are like actually pretty good deals too, because for like a couple grand, you've got like a 30 series graphics card, new processor, like 16 or 32 gigs of RAM. And I want to say they include like an SSD too. I was actually considering this as well. Those are actually pretty decent PCs for the price. Then we've got Scorpion with a dual monitor setup, a light up here. Actually, I have one of these new lights as well from BenQ. Those are very handy to have, like that little light at the top of your monitor that shines down on your desk, because you can have your room be pretty dark, but you don't have to have your desk being dark as well, where you can't like see your keyboard and stuff like that. So I do like that, and it just gives you a little bit more ambient light. And it looks like he's got a very powerful RGB light somewhere in the room as well. Yo, let's look at this man's Salty setup. So he's got single monitor, huge PC case over here. I actually really love like what he did with his PC case. Like this red, white, and blue looks really dope. Like the red and teal, I'll say like this is like a Dave TD teal for certain, but this looks really clean. Xbox Series S over here on the left, which is a great console if you just want to, you know, have access to like Xbox Game Pass and have a bunch of games that you can play for not a ton of money. And then the PC also looks fantastic. But let's take a closer look at his setup. So he's got a TKL, Asus monitor, and Turtle Beach headset. And then he's got a little baby Yoda figurine. I see you, bro. Hey, Star Wars fans gotta stick together. Star Wars is pretty lit. Even though I don't like love the new Star Wars movie, they kind of suck, most of the new Star Wars movies. But the shows that they've been putting on like Disney Plus, those have been some real heat. So if you're a Star Wars fan, watch the shows on Disney Plus. They're doing some good stuff. But nice, so he's got very good cable management, and then the RGB lights underneath his desk as well to give him a little bit of glow on his floor. And he did give us a list of specs as well. So you got a Ryzen 5 3600, got a Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16 gig kit, MSI 1660 Super, and an Asus motherboard. Oh, he had a GMMK White Ice. Nice. I didn't pick that one up, but I have tried the GMKs in the past. And then we got JACQUES or JACQUES or Jacques. I don't know how to say it, but put it in the comment section below so I know how to say it next time, or DM me on Discord. But mouse, got a Malo wireless, a Ducky 1.2 mini with black switch. Hey, you know what? I just tried a Ducky 1.3 mini on stream last night with these MX black switches, and I absolutely hate them. Like they're not good. They're scratchy. The spring is a little heavy. Not my favorite. And then we got an Odin Zero Gravity in blue. It's got a PS4, a Turtle Beach headset, and no clue where the chair is. But, you know, it's a setup. You can play some games, not the end of the world. So it's good that you have something that you can play games on. I'm sure, you know, like once you're older and save up a little bit and whatnot, you can, but you know, every setup is not glorious, but it's important to be proud of what you have while you have it, and also have goals in mind to like what you want to get and like upgrade to in the future. So just be responsible, make good decisions, and save your money, and then in the future you'll have your dream setup eventually. Then we got Legendary Lunatic with a nice dual monitor setup. I believe this is the like one of the BenQ Mobius monitors. These monitors are really good in my opinion. And let's see here. So we got a 60% keyboard here, and it looks like maybe a Razer Basilisk, maybe in the dark. And it looks like he's got a Blue Yeti as well. He does have a really nice PC though. These 2060 Founder, or not, is this a 2060? I believe so. This looks like a 2060 Founders Edition. That is a really nice looking graphics card. I miss how like clean and slender they used to be, but like pretty powerful. So I'm wondering when Nvidia is going to get back to that, but probably never at this point. Nice RAM and some fans, and this AMD stock cooler I always thought was like really cool, how it had like those really dope RGB effects and whatnot on that Wraith cooler. But that is going to be it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new as well. I will be hosting a giveaway in the Discord channel as well. We're going to be giving away a ton of stuff. So we got like you know, let me just grab everything and show you. All right, so we're gonna be giving away an Odin Zero Gravity mouse pad, a Razer Gigantus V2, an Xtrfy M4 wireless, the Razer Viper Ultimate, as well as the Razer Huntsman V2 TKL. So we are going to be giving away all this stuff in my Discord channel as well. So if you guys want to enter into the giveaway, I will have the rules in that Discord channel. So you'll probably just have to like react to an emote or something, and then I'll draw the run. So you'll probably just have to react to an emote or something, and then I will draw the winner within a couple of weeks. But want to thank you guys again. It has been an awesome year, and then I do have a couple other videos that I'll be working on before the end of the year as well. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video, and you guys take care.